Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the process of making a new intro, so I did want to go ahead and tell you guys what I'm doing in today's video. Today I'm showing y'all how I do DIY lash extensions. So starting off, I went ahead and looked at my eyelashes and made sure that they were clean. And I went ahead and picked out the lashes that I was going to use. Basically, I just took all pairs and I began to cut them up into 3 sections. After that, all I did was glue the top part of them and put them on, and you will see the rest. Okay guys, so this is like the aftermath. Excuse my hair. This is the aftermath of me doing it. Basically, all I did the entire time was cut the lashes and glue. I did end up finding my tweezers for the second part. I will say, make sure you get it as closest to your lashes as possible, just because if you don't, it will irritate your actual eye. But yeah, it wasn't hard, it was just time consuming. So if you're not a patient person, I don't recommend. But yeah, they look really good and really professional in my opinion. So yeah, I'm excited. Like, I just saved me like $70. Like, don't play with her. But yeah, I really hope y'all like this video. Comment, subscribe, and as always, stay blessed.